Alright guys, what's happening?
No idea, sir.
No idea? Alright, let's not waste each other Roman Empire right now. I'm going to be low-key transparent here. Last quarter number was not fuzzing.
So revenue was down.
Revenue was down. Revenue was down bad, bestie. Like it ate and left massive crumbs.
Bruh.
But Q3 is a villain arc. Don't be a Drululu. He is Sululu. Look at me, besties. We are going to slay this pipeline. No caps.
Hi Muskan. Is this the right Varun who was supposed to join the meeting? Can you please confirm? He came with a Lego background. I don't even see a single kid using that anymore.
Yes, Meghna.
Hey, it's me. This collab is giving very much opportunity, energy, and we are not in the flop era anymore. So,
Sorry, flop.
oh, it's just meaning like we are just underperforming, but we have understood the assignment now. No cap.
No cap. I think it means seriously.
So our Q3 strategy is going to eat like a buzzing pipeline. We want to gatekeep this opportunity before competitors catch on.
Gatekeep.
Keep it exclusive between us. It's very much like our Roman Empire collab.
Yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Is this some kind of prank?
What sir actually means is we have a very strong Q3 roadmap and we would love to partner exclusively on this. I can walk you through the numbers.
Yes, that would be great.
This was one of the biggest deal that I could close. I was nervous because of Meghna. She is an important client and I was more scared because of Varun.
Baigan.
Okay Meghna, looking forward to hear back from you.
We just smashed this, bestie.
No, never. I'm not taking up any calls from them anymore. They are blocked.
Here's to never see Meghna again. Here's